the technique and platform that I used to score 900 in UCAT AR. Obviously, the best way to explain this is by going through a question together. As a UCAT tutor of over 3 years, this is the question type in AR that students most commonly complain about to me, and that is the set A, set B type questions. So let's go through an approach that I found really useful when I was sitting my exam. Here is the question if you want to pause and have a go yourself before I go through the techniques. First thing I like to do is zoom out and look at both sets as a whole to identify any similarities and differences between them. I'll also be referring to my acronym scans, and I have made a video on how you could use acronyms in your AR practice in my UCAT 2024 playlist. Zooming out, the most obvious difference I can see is that set B does have larger shapes. Set A, the shapes are around the same size, and I can always see that set B has an unshaded shape, whereas set A always has one striped shape. Remember, your rule needs to be fulfilled by every one of the boxes. Number 2, I like to zoom into the sets individually to identify more features using my scans acronym. And going along with the theme of size, I see in set B that the smaller shape always remains unshaded, whereas in set A, going along with the pattern theme that I picked up earlier in my zooming out, every box has a stripe shape with 2 shaded shapes, but the stripe shapes seem to be the ones with the least number of sides. Although our test shape varies in size a little bit like set B, the larger shape is unshaded, so to me I would say this belongs to neither set. Here is the answer, and I hope you find the zooming out, zooming in technique useful. And the platform I used for all my UCAT prep was Medify. That's also where today's question is from. They have over 20,000 questions for you to practice, as well as 24 full mocks and over 40 mini mocks. Click the link in bio to get started today.